Today on Cassidys Craveable Creations, we're making keto cutout sugar cookies. Hi, I'm Cassidy. Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. These keto sugar cookies that we're making today, they have a soft and chewy center, a slightly crisp edge, they hold their shape well, and no one will ever guess that they're keto and low carb. Let's get started. So these sugar cookies are actually really easy to make. We're gonna start by creaming together some keto granulated sweetener, and you need to use an erythritol based sweetener for the cookies to hold their shape. And we have some butter, and you can use non-dairy butter if you need, and it needs to be softened. So we're just gonna cream this together until it's really well combined, and it can take a little longer to cream together a keto sweetener with the butter. So we're gonna beat this for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now that that's well combined, we're just gonna add a large egg, a teaspoon of pure vanilla, and then we'll cream this together till it's nice and combined as well. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. We have finely ground blanched almond flour, coconut flour, sea salt, xanthan gum. This is what makes the sugar cookies hold their shape. And if you'd rather have big, soft sugar cookies, you can simply leave the xanthan gum out. And a little bit of baking powder. The batter will seem kind of crumbly at first, but just keep beating it until it all comes together. Now we'll just put the batter into a plastic baggie or wrap it up in plastic wrap. And we need to let it set in the fridge for an hour or two, or you can stick it in the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes because the batter needs to be cold so we can roll it out and cut it into shapes. So I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for just a little bit, and I'll meet you back here to roll it out. Now that the batter is nice and cold, all I did was I set it on some parchment paper, and I covered it with plastic wrap to keep it from sticking. And then I like the plastic wrap because as I roll, I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna roll it from the center until it's around a 1/4 inch thick, or maybe just a tad thicker. You don't wanna roll them too thin because then the edges have a tendency to burn when you cook them, and you don't want any burned edges. So when you're rolling them, a little bit on the thicker side is better than on the thinner side. Now that it's rolled out, I'm just gonna use my cookie cutter. I have a star cookie cutter here, and I'm gonna cut shapes into it, and then we'll put it on a lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. After you move your shapes to the lined baking sheet, you'll just start over by putting together the dough back in kind of a ball. Then we'll re-roll it and just keep cutting shapes until all the dough is gone. And if your dough starts to warm up and it starts sticking, just pop it back in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, and so you'll be able to work with it again. Now we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 8 to 11 minutes, or until they're just barely starting to brown. You don't want them to get overly browned or golden brown because then they'll be crunchy, and you don't want them to be crunchy. You just want the edges to have a slight crisp to them, but then them actually be soft and chewy in the middle, so don't overcook them. So for the frosting, you have 2 options. You have a buttercream frosting or an icing that sets. And today we're going to be using the icing that sets. And keep in mind that for the icing, even though it sets nicely, that unfortunately when you're first frosting the cookies, it's a little bit soft, so it won't work well for intricate designs. For the powdered sweetener and the icing, I don't recommend an erythritol-based sweetener because the aftertaste in this particular recipe is quite strong. So I highly recommend using pure allulose or a monk fruit allulose blend. You'll just add it to a large mixing bowl along with just a tiny bit of pure vanilla and some water. And just mix this together. And you'll want the icing to be pretty thick, but if it's too thick, feel free to add just a little bit more water. And so once you get everything mixed, you can just leave it how it is, or you can add just a little bit of food coloring. I'm gonna add some natural pink food coloring to mine, just because I love pink. And then we'll mix it all together. And once the cookies get completely cooled, we will frost the cookies and taste them. I'm so excited. So we let the cookies cool completely because if they're warm, the frosting will basically just melt off. So they're nice and cool, And I'm just gonna put some of this frosting that we made on them. So delicious. He's so pretty too. Now that these are beautifully frosted and have sprinkles on them, the final test is the taste test. They're crunchy on the edges, but still chewy with a sweet, sugary frosting, and they're just perfect for any special occasion. If you get the chance to make them, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And to see more keto recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. See you next time.